Yes, good morning, children. So today we are going to see the next topic, that is ionic product of water. Okay. Now, if you show the ionization of water, H2O is ionizing to give you H plus and OH minus. Or if you don't want to show as H plus, actually it is existing as H3O plus. So you can show the reaction like this: H2O plus H2O, two molecules of water, you show it, and it will give you one H3O plus and one OH minus. Okay, so it's basically one and the same only, but it's more reasonable or preferable to write it this way. Okay, and remember, water is a weak electrolyte. Okay, so when you show the ionization, any weak electrolyte only can show a reversible equation, or it can come to an equilibrium state. Now this equation is called as self-ionization of water, right? Now in this you see one water is picking up H plus from the other water and leaving behind OH minus. Okay. So for this expression, how will you write the dissociation constant K? K is equal to product of concentration of products upon product of concentration of reactants. Is it not? This is the expression for equilibrium constant. Here you are going to call it as dissociation constant. Right? Okay. Now, since ionization of water is very low, the concentration of water is said to be a constant. Okay, whatever you are taking, this is going to exist as such. There is hardly any difference between the amount of water that you have taken and during the course of the reaction, because ionization is very, very low. Okay, so you are taking the concentration of water to be a constant. So in that case, what you will do? This K into water, the whole square, because two molecules are there, is it not? To the power 2 you will write. So the product of these two is called as Kw, which is called ionic product of water. And what is this? This is nothing but H3O plus and OH minus, because this has gone here along with this. So now this has turned into Kw, that is equal to this H3O plus into OH minus. What is it called, Kw? It is called ionic product of water. Now this Kw is a constant at 25 degrees C, and it has been found to be 1 into 10 power minus 14. Okay. So K into water. If you take this equation, then it will be K is equal to KH plus into OH minus upon water, is it not? So this into this. So what is that equal to? That is equal to Kw. Or if you are going to find out the value of K, this K is equal to Kw upon water. Now what is the concentration of water? Number of moles per liter. Number of moles. You assume that you are taking 1000 grams of water. So 1000 upon 18 molecular mass of water will give you number of moles. So this number of moles present per liter, it is assumed to be per liter, right? So that is 55.5. And Kw, I told you, it is 10 power minus 14. So 10 power minus 14 upon 55.55 will give you this. Okay. Now, when you consider water to be pure, the amount of H plus ions will be equal to the amount of OH minus ions. Right? So when Kw is 10 power minus 14, so what should be H plus and OH minus? It should be 10 power minus 7 each, because this is minus 14. Because Kw is equal to H3O plus into OH minus, is it not? So H3O plus concentration and OH minus concentration will be equal, 10 power minus 7. And this is also 10 power minus 7. When you multiply these two, what you do? You put the base same and add the powers. So minus 7 and minus 7 will be minus 14. That is why it is 10 power minus 14. And remember one thing, that Kw increases with increase of temperature, because extent of ionization increases with increase in temperature. That is why Kw will increase with increase of temperature. Right? Okay. Now, let's come to the next topic, that is pH. Now, the term pH is not new to you. You have studied in 10th class also. pH is a scale, is it not? It's a scale to measure the extent of acidic or basic character of a given solution. This you know it already. And it is defined as the negative logarithm of hydronium ion concentration. What you have not studied in 10th class, you are going to study now. So pH is equal to minus log to the base 10 of H3O plus concentration. Or you can say log 1 upon H3O plus. If you want to remove this minus, you can write it as 1 upon H3O plus. Okay? So you can write either this way or you can write this way. But generally we write it this way only. And you also know pH ranges between 0 and 14. If pH is 7, then the solution is neutral. If it is less than 7, then it is acidic pH. If it is greater than 7, it is basic pH. All these things you are familiar, you know it very well. Right? Now, if you can write pH as minus log H3O plus concentration, you can as well write POH is equal to minus log OH minus concentration. Right? Okay. Now, you know that H3O plus into OH minus is equal to Kw, that is 10 power minus 14. Okay. Now, when you want to put log on both the sides, so log H3O plus log OH minus is equal to log Kw. Right? Now, whatever you are multiplying, when you are showing in terms of log, you will be adding. Right? That is log of A cross B is equal to log A plus log B. Same way, if it is log of A by B, then it is log A minus log B. All these things slowly you will come to learn now. Right? So, H3O plus I have taken as log H3O plus and OH minus as log OH minus. So, when it is multiplication, there is an addition here. That is equal to this. And Kw, how much? It is 10 power minus 14. So, log 10 power minus 14 is equal to minus 14. That is log A power B is equal to B log A. So, log 10 power minus 14 will be minus 14 log 10. Is it not? Minus 14 log 10. And log 10 is 1. I'll tell you now. Okay, log 10 is 1. That is why log 10 power minus 14 की value जो है वो minus 14 है. Right? Now, the same equation, now I am going to add a negative charge along with each and every term. Minus log H3O plus minus log OH minus is equal to minus log Kw. Right? So this plus is there. If you put it this way, so when you multiply, what will happen? This plus into minus will be minus. Right? So what is this minus log H3O plus? It is nothing but pH. What is minus log OH minus? It is POH. So pH plus POH is equal to pKw. And how much? pKw will be 14. How it is 14? I'll tell you. Just wait. Okay.